With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, they have given us the skulls of two different mammals. Now we have to accurately describe both of these skulls and the differences between them and select our correct answer from the given options. So these two figures give us an evidence for the evolution of man. We all know that evolution is a process because of which all life forms undergo some gradual changes. So evolution is a process which happens because of small and directional changes. But over a long period of time, these small or subtle changes accumulate and they result in formation of different species, which is called speciation. And a similar evolutionary process has taken place for human beings also. We know that we come under a group known as primates, in which we place all other kinds of apes and monkeys also, apart from human beings. So when we talk about evolution of man, it is essentially a story of how the human beings diverged from their primate ancestors and how they evolved into the modern man or the Homo sapiens. So even today, when we see the preserved remains of ancient primates, when we see their fossils, we can see a lot of similarity between the modern man and these extinct primates, and therefore we can conclude that human beings are very closely related to these primates, or these primates are the ancestors of human beings. So many different fossils, many preserved remains of such primate ancestors have been found, which can be dated back to up to 15 million years ago. And these primates have undergone the gradual changes that we were just talking about to finally evolve into the modern man or the Homo sapiens. But whenever we talk about evolution, we need some kind of evidence. So the first evidence that we have for the evolution of man are the fossils or the remains of the primate ancestors. But apart from it, if we talk about the living primates, then even in these primates we show a lot of similarity to them. And because of these similarities, we can confirm that we have an evolutionary relationship or a phylogenetic relationship with them. And this is what they're showing in the figure. In the diagram A, they have shown us the skull of a chimpanzee, and in the diagram B, this is the skull of a human being or a man. So we can see that there is a lot of similarity between the anatomy of both of these structures, but it is even more shocking to notice the similarities if, rather than the adult chimpanzee, we compare the skull of the human with the skull of a baby chimpanzee. So what we observe is that the skull of baby chimpanzee is so similar to the human being that it does not even show that much similarity to the skull of the adult chimpanzee. So after looking at the anatomical similarity between these two structures in the diagram, we can confirm that there is some kind of phylogenetic relationship between these two organisms, between these two animals, and therefore it acts as an evidence for the evolution of man from primate ancestors. So over here we are going to say option D is our correct answer. Skull A is of an ape, that is the chimpanzee, and skull B is of a human.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.